Bullish Oasis network cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 20 cents and 38 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept Rose could reach 15 cents by 2025. Bearish Oasis network market cost expectation for 2023 is 3 cents. Oasis network presentation. Oasis network has previously drawn in a great deal of interest from the local area with its main goal to offer DApps and the information economy a fast and safe climate. An expansion in normal exchanging cost was welcomed on the new news. For data on the eventual fate of the resource, see our Oasis network value expectation. Yet, how does various elements affect the Oasis network cost expectation? Here is a rundown of the undertaking all in all before we investigate the Rose cost forecast. What is the Oasis network? Oasis Labs, laid out in 2018 by Teacher Daybreak Toon of the College of California, Berkeley, is the essential maker of the Oasis network. Oasis network creates DeFi applications and cross-chain interoperability. It portrays itself as the main protection-empowered, versatile blockchain network for open money and a mindful information economy. The network's in reverse similarity with the Ethereum blockchain, which was delivered in October 2020, empowers the development of decentralized applications like the decentralized trade Uniswap from Ethereum to the Oasis blockchain. The network's local utility money, called Rose, is utilized for marking and designation at the agreement layer, as well with respect to paying exchange expenses. Out of a complete fixed cap of 10 billion, the token had a send-off course supply of 1.5 billion. After some time, delegators and stakers will get motivators for protecting the network and how much around 2.3 billion tokens. Oasis Network Principal Investigation. Oasis Network is a Layer 1 blockchain that utilizes confirmation of stake, as was at that point depicted. It is likewise the business most memorable security-centered exertion for open money. The objective of digital forms of money is to rush the reception of decentralized finance by the overall population. It does this by fostering a stage that is more open, versatile, and reasonable than elective conventions right now available. The organization guarantees that the Oasis blockchain is incredibly versatile due to two parts. These are alluded to by the Oasis network as the agreement layer and the paratime layer. The paratime layer makes it feasible for various exchanges to be completed simultaneously, speeding up in general handling execution. The site guarantees that contrasted with sharding and parachain procedure on other blockchains, paratime handling is more protected. A critical part of the drive, as indicated by the Oasis network, is protection. The drive utilizes a protected processing stage called confided in execution climate, which, as per Oasis network, shields shrewd agreement execution and ensures that information is never presented to designers or validators. Clients can feel more quiet realizing that those drew and will approach their delicate information because of this. Oasis network specialized investigation. Despite the fact that it is hard to give 100% exact specialized examination to the Oasis network cryptographic money, trading views strong specialized investigation apparatus permits you to see the accumulated Rose trade rating continuously for the pick time span. The most generally utilized specialized markers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns, are the underpinning of the ROSE USD report. Gov Capital, in a hopeful conjecture, gives Rose a bullish cost expectation for quite some time. The stage predicts a reliable expansion in the normal exchanging cost of the token. In like manner, digital coin price additionally sees the coin expanding in esteem. The gateway predicts an expansion in normal cost yet at a somewhat more slow speed. Oasis network current cost. Oasis network is presently worth 4 cents USD. Rose has moved 9.96% as of now with an exchanging volume of $50,275,805. Oasis network is presently positioned 113 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $253,444,826 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Oasis network to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Oasis network value expectation 2023. Oasis network, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Rose cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 6 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 6 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Rose is supposed to have a base worth of 5 cents. Oasis network value forecast 2024. In 2024, Oasis Network Rose cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Rose will before long outperform 11 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Rose's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Rose will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 8 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 9 cents. Oasis Network Value Expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 15 cents and Rose might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Rose is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 14 cents and a low of 13 cents in 2025. Oasis Network Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Oasis Network effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the Rose coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Rose will be green in 2026. The Rose is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 20 cents, with a base cost of 17 cents and a typical cost of 18 cents. Oasis Network Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Rose cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 23 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 22 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Rose has a most extreme value worth of 24 cents. Oasis Network Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 27 cents. In the event that Rose figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 29 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Rose needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 26 cents. Oasis Network Value Forecast 2029. While Rose is endeavoring towards interoperability between networks to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 31 cents and a yearly cost close above 33 cents in 2029. Oasis Network Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Oasis Network will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 35 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 38 cents, averaging out at 36 cents. Oasis Network Value Expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Rose cost in 2031 is projected to be 43 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 42 cents. And the drive seems to have guarantee. Yet it is yet muddled the way that it will create and whether the network's drawn-out objectives will be understood. Huge Tech is going under more noteworthy examination for its information mining practices, and discussion over how individuals ought to ultimately possess and benefit from their own data is raising. The thought set up by